Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. And today, samahan nyo kami kung saan kami mapupunta. This is day 2 out of 3 nitong Baguio trip natin. So, marami-raming pupuntahan mga places, pilihan na pagkain. So, most likely pagkain, separate video, pero let's check later on kung saan tayo mapupunta at makakakain dito sa Baguio City. Let's go! Alright guys, first up dito tayo sa may Baguio Cathedral, or known as also Our Lady of Atonement. Yan, dito. So, ang ginawa namin is nagpark kami sa may SM City Baguio. Naglakad kami from SM City Baguio going here kasi yun pa pala, kung magdadala kayo ng sasakyan tapos gusto nyo mag-park sa may SM Baguio, yung parking nila will open by 9 in the morning. Kung mapunta kayo doon before 9 o'clock, ang mangyayari niyan is papaikutin kayo ng papaikutin kasi bawal maghintay doon sa area. So, just make sure yun lang na pag pumunta kayo doon, 9 o'clock sakto or malapit sa 9 o'clock para hindi rin kayo mauubusan ng parking spots. So, ayun. Check nyo itong Our Lady of Cathedral. Our Lady of Cathedral. Our Lady of Atonement. Let's go. Yeah, meron din pala silang para market dito, I think. And this is nice. Isa-isahin natin sa small entrance. Ayun, mall entrance. Not sure kung anong mall to. Then yan, mga plants, of course. Then you have your mga pasalubongs, souvenirs. Ito, mga food naman, pasalubong, food. Ayan o. Also have your fruits, your wines. Ayan yung mga wines. Oh, ayan. Then, ganun din. Pasalubong. Then, I think ito parang parking spot talaga siya. Not sure kung parking spot talaga sa para sa mga nagsisimba or yung mga nagbebenta dito. Pero anyway, ayan. Sky Toss Bites. Ayan. Ayan. Served with rice, pork, chicken. And they also have ayan, mga pang merienda. Ito, lugaw, champurado, goto. Have your dim sum, Sky Zone. This is here. Ayan o, Porta Vaga Mall. Yan o, not sure kung nakikita. SM City Baguio. And then I'm not sure kung ano street yan. And may Laperal building. Ayan. Napakaganda talaga ng Baguio. Grabe. Alright, let's go to the bazaar, to the mini bazaar. And ito siya. So you have your mini bazaar. Yan, may mga jewelry, earrings. Yan, may mga necklaces. Then ibang mga tali-tali sa buhok. Alright. So gift boxes. Yan, mga ganyan. I think beads. And may mga tables and chairs din dito in case you want to eat. Craft burgers. Ayan. Ganda nung ano niya, store. Also have some jewelries in here, some toys, and iba-iba, halo-halo siya. Ayan, ganda. And you also have your jackets, cardigans, and yung mga pasalubong, meron din dito. Ayan, mga pasalubong. Hot cake, rice bowl. Ayan pala. Ayan, mga shirts. So, baggy shirts, 200 pesos. Mga ref magnets. You also have ref magnets. Ayan, ganda nito. Jeep. 150 lang yun. Then meron din silang keychains here. Ayan o, keychain. 10 pesos each. Ayan, motor, gloves, strawberries, and ball. Strawberries yan. 10 pesos lang yan. Ayan, your shirts, and then food. Again, some desserts in here. Brownies, butterscotch, blueberry cheesecake, red velvet, chicken, puto, alabok, and then you have your strawberry, lemonade, blueberry, cucumber, mango, watermelon, and melon juice. And may mga pasalubong din dito. Ayan. Oo nga pala, yung sa parking sa SM, as of now, flat rate sila 50 pesos. Tapos kung magpapa valet kayo, 120. Now, starting January 6, 2025, yung 50 pesos mo is only good up to about 4 hours. And then ang additional per hour is I think 10 pesos or 20 pesos. So, yun lang. Just be mindful lang. Ayan. So, Sundays, sinasarado ang Session Road. Ayan. So, hindi talaga pwedeng dumaan dito ng Sundays kasi may mga performers. Ayan. Tapos ito, I think, hindi ko matandaan kung anong tawag sa kanya. Parang Freedom Wall. Pero siya, Freedom Ground. ano tawag nyo? Pero anyway, yan, meron silang mga chalks. If you want to use it, that's fine. I think may bibigay ka, may babayaran ka lang yata. And then, ayan, pwede ka na magsulat-sulat dito. Ayan, check natin yung iba yung nandito. Wow!
Hey, lagay mo ang pangalan mo.
Ano? You have your chalk. Ayan, Christmas. Wow! Ito, oh. Oops, sorry. Wanna take a picture? Then go picture ka dito. So, friend. This is the artist. Say hi. Hi.
Cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes my tears I drown.